Ashlocker. This is an interesting unit. This has been quite late on the market and is almost problem free. I say almost. I think on the website it's saying that since February 2012 1,500 units have been sold with not one single failure. What is interesting is that on this unit and Ashlocker generally, whilst everyone keeps what it's made of very secret, Ashlocker do quite the reverse. They actually state that all the gears are machined CNC from EN24T. The gears are made from 8620 and the working locking collar is actually made of M300, which is incredibly hard, incredibly strong. It's one of those things where people actually tell you what things are made of. You almost wonder why other people don't tell you what theirs is made of. The other interesting points with the Ashlocker is it has 6mm of engagement. Some of the other lockers are down to nearly 2.5mm. And instead of having rotating seals like the ARBs, which inherently do sometimes leak, this has a static seal, and the whole rotation is done on this unit here. That's where the air goes in, and this offers a greater clamping force also than the normal things. This unit is also priced at something like £475 plus VAT at the time of this film. The ARBs used to be about £700. Funnily enough, they're coming down now to around the £530 mark. However, if it's worth anything, these are fitted to my 5.2 Challenge truck, and I'm very pleased with them. Massive centre pin, incredibly strong, beautifully made, and a nice touch is you actually get a pair of decent quality carrier bearings, which you don't get on the ARB, and that's going to save you in the region of about 30 odd quid. So thank you very much. We're taking the Ashlocker into two pieces. You can see the locking ring. Locking ring operates by moving up and down by the piston firing it, and as you can see inside, it's an all solid steel construction with the outer gear now dropping in. The other half is ready to go back on. On the other side, here's the locking mechanism inside. You can just see the whole of this is machined billet as opposed to any forms of castings, and very high quality. Here's the Ashlocker fully assembled. This is the air mechanism that actually stays put, and that's the air going in from the outside just like the ARB, but this actually stays this side of the crown wheel, doesn't go over the top, much neater. So actually when the diff is turning, this bit turns, this bit stays stationary, and then the piston moves everything into the locking position. Very, very neat solution, very high quality.